Junk to Gems 3 fans, guess what? We got another one here for you. You're gonna love this one. This one was created by a buddy of mine, and he brought it over here for me to do a little touch-up welding on it. But I wanted to show you this little thing here. Now, he took a motorcycle engine and put it on a really small four-wheeler frame, and then made all the plastics work out of a bunch of other junk. So I wanted to show you this thing here. Now, this little thing is super fun. You can see all the detail he put into it. This is definitely a Junk to Gems. He just took a bunch of different four-wheelers and a motorcycle and just put it all together and made a really cool one. Basically a little drifter four-wheeler is what his intent was. And we're gonna do a little welding on this step for him, and a little spot down here on the frame for him. So I'll show you here. So she had a little too much torque in her, so there's a little spot right there. You can see it cracked. So we're gonna tighten that up for him and see if we can't make all this come together and make it even more fun. So stay tuned. We'll get this done, and we'll show you some pictures of it firing up here in just a minute. All right, so we had to weld this little piece right there, and we welded this little bracket on here for these steps to sit on good. And we went over here and we welded this one back on right here. So as much as I'd love to show you it running right this second, I don't know if we can or not. But she is a beauty, that's for sure. Oh look, we jumper cables are here, so we might be able to do that yet, folks. All right, give us a minute. All right, she is now running. So we're about to give her a test drive here in a second. All right, disconnect the cable and get the seat on. Let's see what she do. We had a jump starter because you got a little bitty battery on it, not big enough for this 250. This ought to be fun.
Yeah, oh my god. You're really good on there.
Alright,
folks. Grab your legs in there on the camera. Look at that. I got a little GoPro spot.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, the front brakes I gotta adjust.
Adjust? There is no front brake.
Yeah, I know. I gotta tighten the line or something. Oh damn. Looks like it's coming with me.
Well, if you want both of us killed.
What's that little rubber?
Yeah. There it goes.
That jerk wasn't going nowhere, I'll tell you that. Yeah.
So we got her all welded up, and you'll see there by the video that yeah, she just spins. That's all she does, is just spin. I wish I could have got the video of the tires when I was getting onto the gas. They're kind of hard because that's all it was doing, was just spinning. It wasn't getting no traction at all. So so we may end up upgrading this to some paddle tires here soon, which I have a set of, and make this thing a little more fun.
Oh, yeah.
So that she gets some grip. Junk to Gems Fans 3, if you like what you see, welcome back. Like and subscribe. Come see us soon for the next cool project.